First, remove the original car speaker, and remove the screws on the door panel. Remove the wiring harness on the door panel. Unplug the rearview mirror. Remove the 3 fixing screws of the rearview mirror. And use a tool to remove the rearview mirror housing. Pass the rearview mirror lamp housing wire through the rearview mirror bracket. And install the rear view mirror back to the original car. Remove the original car speaker. Remove the door trim panel. Route the turn signal harness through the door to the speaker position. Plug in the turn signal connector. The wiring harness passes through the main driver's seat. The installation method is the same as that of the passenger seat. And the wiring harness is routed along the original car wiring harness to the rear of the car. Turn signal plug, tail light plug adapter.